This is resident chef Ollie Taylor cooking some Wagyu beef from Worstead Farm in Norfolk. These are traditional Kobe beef, and you get amazing marbling in the steak, as you can see, and you get quite a lot of fat. Now that fat is really tasty. We've got is that a sirloin, not Ollie?
I think it's a sirloin, yeah.
Sirloin, and then we've got a flank steak. So this is the cheaper cut. This is the more expensive cut.
So I'm just going to render off the fat first to the dry pan.
So this just seals the outside, and it gets a bit of fat.
I'm just going to render all the fat down so that will melt.
So the fat then comes out into the pan.
Yeah.
And you're using it to cook the steak.
Cook the steak in its own fat. Yeah.
In its own fat, fantastic. And this is for people who, when they eat a steak, they like a bit of fat.
Yeah. Well, the fat will render into the meat.
And give it a bit of extra flavour.
That you have a really hot pan. So that's what we're going to do now. We're just going to take that off, let it sit for a bit, get the pan up really hot. Start one side down.
So this is searing the outside and it's kind of sealing all the outside. So the juices aren't running out of the meat, they're being sealed in.
With Wagyu you want to sear it both sides to seal the meat, and you can give the fat inside to render inside into the meat instead of coming out.
Yeah, yeah.
So you've got all the flavour staying in.
And if you're spending money on a bit of steak like this, you want it to be perfect.
You want to cook it right. Yeah.
So you want to get it just right. So you can see the marbling in the beef of the fat, and that would often turn people off. But so now you've got that beautifully cured on one side.
You put butter in, you go into a bit of rosemary, get the garlic on top. I'm just going to let that melt, get the butter foaming.
But the whole idea of this beef is you don't want too many flavours in it, do you, Ollie?
No.
Because you've got an amazing bit of beef. So now if you press that, you're going to get, depending on, what do you think that is? Medium?
That'll be nicely into rare and medium rare.
Medium rare, so
the way that Wagyu should be, really.
Yeah. So you've still got a bit of
the fat,
the flavour. And how long you've taken to cook it? You want to
leave the same amount of time for it to rest.
Same amount of time for rest. Resting is really important.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to let that rest, and then we're going to taste it. Okay, here we are tasting the Wagyu sirloin from Worstead Farm. This has been cooked by resident chef Ollie Taylor. So let's chop into Ollie. See what it looks like. Oh, look at that! Cutting like a knife through butter. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. So that's pretty. Ooh, yeah, that's more medium, isn't it?
Oh, good.
Wow.
Very nice.
That melts in the mouth.
It is.
Very good.
The meat is tender.
Beautiful tender.
Delicious.
Try this piece of
Very
Wagyu
flavour.
steak.
Very cow.
Incredibly tender.
And this is the farm.
Quick, Mark, dive in.
Come, quick.
This is the farm from Norfolk that
This
you
is,
gave me the information on.
No.
Worstead Farm. Bruce Patterson breeds these Kobe beef. Wagyu.
Kobe's.
Yeah.
Cross.
Delicious.
There we go. What do you reckon, Toby?
Very nice.